Good morning, guys. Just sharing about some thoughts and some learning about life, about everyday battle. You know, guys, napaka grateful pala natin once you make a decision to stop and to have a time to pray, time to think how lucky and how blessed to have you sa buhay. And ako personally, nasa time ako ng I'm just always give back thanks kay Lord dahil hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon may trabaho tayo, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon blessed tayo ng work. And nakita ko lang actually every time bumabaybay ako sa mga lugar na severe poverty, nakakuha ako ng more na load ako ng to be grateful lang sa buhay ko, sa family ko, lalo na sa meron ako. This time I want to share something kahit nakakapagod, nakakasawa,
Good morning. Welcome to
stress, everything.
welcome sa Makoy Channel.
Nagmamatter sa akin to make each and every day count. Sa lahat ng bagay pwedeng magbago sa isang iglap, guys. Yun lang, guys, ito i-share. Hope na you will be encouraged sa aking mga share, guys. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and thank you. Enjoy life while it's here. Welcome sa Makoy Channel.